So I can only cook Indian food and Indian sweets where I can make besan ka laddus, and that's the only thing I can make. I would love to celebrate it with Mr. Bachchan, I've heard of his Diwali parties, and every year you see pictures of people going and attending his parties. Hi, this is Tripti Dimri, and I wish all the viewers of Eastern Eye a very, very happy Diwali.
Hi Tripti, welcome to Eastern Eye.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Very good, very, very good.
So happy Diwali to you and your family.
Happy Diwali to you too.
So tell me, of course, first of all, I have to say looking gorgeous.
Thank you so much, thank you. You're looking great too. Indian, na?
Thank you so much. We are trying to be celebrating Diwali virtually now with people.
Yeah. That's what we'll have to do now because of COVID. But as long as we are celebrating, it's okay.
That's true. So tell me how this time the Diwali festival is going to be for you, because of course, not many people would be coming to your place. You might not be going to many places because of this whole pandemic thing that has happened. So how are you planning to celebrate the Diwali festival this year?
See, every year for Diwali, I go home. I go to Delhi where my parents are. And this is one festival where my parents are like, you have to be home. You cannot be in Bombay. Even if there's work, just tell them that I'm taking a break for Diwali, because, it's this one festival where we all want to be together and celebrate it. So this year also I'm planning to go to Delhi. I think I'll be going to my family and celebrate with all of them. I know there won't be relatives coming to our place. My friends won't be coming to my place to celebrate. Every year we used to, till 1 or 2 a.m. in the night, we used to just sit outside in the park and play cards and eat sweets and have delicious food. But I think this year it's just going to be me and my parents and my brother. But I think, as long as you're getting to celebrate or, be with the people you love, it's, you're sorted. It's not going to be bad. It's going to be good only. I'll get to eat a lot of sweets. This time we've decided not to buy sweets from the outside. We're going to be making sweets at home. So that is again very exciting, because my mom and I, we love cooking and we love making these sweets. So I'm just really looking forward to it.
So, of course, as you said, that this time there won't be going out and stuff and meeting your friends and everything. So, but what's that one thing that you're going to miss a lot? That, I used to do this every year on Diwali, but this year nahi ho payega, and you feel sad about it, that shit, this year this won't happen.
So every year there's this cousin of mine who's my best friend. She, every year she used to come home and we used to celebrate together, click a lot of pictures and just chill, like till about 12 or 1 or 2 or sometimes till morning. This time that is not going to happen. We're going to be, video calling each other. My friends are not going to come. That is the saddest part. But as I said, it's Diwali. We have to be happy and we will be happy. We will connect on Zoom calls or WhatsApp calls somehow. We'll try and connect, but it's going to be difficult and different. So yeah, that's the only thing that I'm going to miss. Otherwise, everything's going to be the same. We are going to decorate our houses. We are going to, make sweets, make rangolis. Everything is going to be the same. It's just that you'll be doing it just with your family and not with the friends.
So, of course, as you said that, Diwali is also a festival of sweets, and, people love to eat sweets, and even if they are dieting, the dieting is broken during this Diwali time.
You have to break your diet at that point. You cannot be dieting on Diwali. That's like a no for me.
So, I would like to ask you, Tripti, do you cook? Do you make any sweets at home? Or it's like, or what is your favorite, and also what is your favorite sweet to have it on Diwali?
So I do cook. But I only cook like Indian food, because that's what I've seen my mom cooking. So whatever I've learned it from her. So I can only cook Indian food and Indian sweets where I can make besan ka laddus, and that's the only thing I can make. But my mom is going to make jalebis. She's going to make gulab jamuns, and I only love Indian sweets. I'm not a fan of pastries or cakes. I only like Indian sweets, jalebis, son papri is something that you get a lot in Diwali. So I'm going to be eating that. This jalebi, that's my favorite. when I was a kid, every day after tuition, I used to take 20 bucks from my parents and, buy jalebis and eat jalebis every single day. So now that I can't do that, but on Diwali I can, right? So I'm going to be eating jalebis, gulab jamuns, rasgullas, and anything and everything. I'm breaking my diet and how.
So, my next question for you would be that if you get a chance to celebrate Diwali with one celebrity, who would that be and why? Like it's a Diwali date, I would like to put it like this way. So, who would that celebrity be?
My Diwali date with a celebrity. I would love to celebrate it with Mr. Bachchan, I've heard of his Diwali parties. And every year you see pictures of people going and attending his parties, and they all look very glamorous. And you see them eating sweets, indulging in sweets, and breaking their ass. So that is some party that is a party that I would want to attend someday, and be with the Bachchan family and see how they celebrate Diwali.
So, moving a bit away from this Diwali zone, I would like to talk about your projects. So, how has been this transition from making people fall in love with you in Laila Majnu to scaring them in Bulbul? Do they come and see your legs first nowadays?
That's, yeah, and whenever I post a picture, there would be one or two comments saying, oh, your feet are straight, your legs are straight, la 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 la, and I'm like, yeah, they are. But yeah, I'm just like, the response is quite overwhelming, and I'm glad that people watched Bulbul or watched Laila Majnu, and they've liked the film and they've liked the performances. So that's all you want as an actor. You want people, your audience, to like your work and like your film as a whole. So that is something that has happened with both my films, and I'm just very, very happy and very thankful to God that I just want to get such projects, and projects where people are not only appreciating your work but the entire cast's work or everybody's work, whether it's the director or the DOP or the film. So yeah, that is something that I would always want as an actor.
But as an actor, what do you enjoy more? Doing a kind of intense romantic genre like Laila Majnu, or this way where you get to play a grey character and a bit kind of a witch kind of a character? I would like to put it like that way. What do you enjoy doing more as an actor?
I think I enjoyed both, yeah. Laila Majnu was a different experience because that was my first film, and honestly speaking, I had very little knowledge of acting then. So I was just, experimenting and going by what my director was saying. And with Bulbul, it was different because by then I'd done some workshops, and it was, I knew a little bit about acting. So both, there was a great lot of learning for me in both the projects, and I think I enjoy doing both. I can't pick one, and especially at this point in my career, I think I have to, experiment a lot with my craft, and I have to do things that I also don't like doing, because, I can't just say that, oh, I don't like doing this kind of, work, and that would be like you running away from your fears, and I don't want to do that. I want to fight my fears and just, go with the flow and do everything that comes my way, because I think that's how you improve. You have to, play characters such as Bulbul also, and play characters such as Laila also, and play them with full honesty. And if you can do that, then there's nothing better.
So what's happening next? Everyone wants to know what is Tripti Dindi doing next. Bulbul.
I will tell them soon. As of now, I cannot talk about the upcoming projects, but I'm soon going to be giving everybody a good news. So yeah, fingers crossed to that.
But it's going to be a big screen release or for the OTT? What is going to come next year that much? I think your fans deserve that much.
It's going to be both, yeah. Actually, I'm going to be doing a feature also, and I'm going to be doing an OTT film also. And I'm really glad that I'm still, getting offers from all the areas, even from OTTs or from the feature, or from the theatrical area. I think I'm getting, it's better that you do that also and that also, because the audiences that you get with a theatrical or with an OTT are completely different. So you get to reach to a lot more people, and a lot more people get to see your work and comment on it. So yeah, I'm just can't tell much about the upcoming projects, but this is what I can tell you.